Hi there. Welcome back to another NEMT Platform Pro Tip video. Today we're showing you how to save time by canceling trips in bulk. From your dashboard, navigate to the Trips section. Browse your list and check the boxes for all the trips you need to remove. Once selected, click on Filter, and then select the Assign Trips button. A management screen will pop up. Look for the Cancel button and click it. To ensure your records stay accurate, a second screen will appear asking for a cancellation reason. Choose the appropriate reason from the list to finalize the process. Just like that, multiple trips are cleared at once. You can always review these and their cancellation details later in the Canceled section. These are the trips that I canceled. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tip.